Hi, welcome to this session. Today we are creating a virtual environment. How to create virtual environment, how to activate virtual environment, and how to deactivate virtual environment. First, we have to create one text document, Python virtual environment. So, just double click. So, first we have first one Python virtual environment introduction. Python virtual environment introduction. So this is first one. So Python virtual environment means a Python virtual environment is an isolated space where you can work on your Python projects separately from your system installed Python. Suppose first one what is so first one Python virtual environment introduction. So suppose internet suppose my system virtual environment. First open the command prompt, just enter Python. This is our Python totally where we existing Python in our system. This is the main Python system Python. So here is the separately from your system install Python. You can set up your own libraries and dependencies without affecting the system Python. This is my system Python. So we'll use virtual env to create a virtual environment in Python. How to create it? We can use virtual env, virtual env. How to create this command? So this is the introduction part. Second one, what is it? Virtual env. This is the command. Command. Next one is second one. What is virtual environment? What is virtual environment? So second one. So second one, what is virtual environment? This is second one. So what is virtual environment means? A virtual environment is a tool that helps us to keep dependencies required by different projects separate by creating isolated Python virtual environment for them. This is one of the most important tool that most Python developers use. So this is the second one. What is virtual environment? where we can isolated Python. Here is the isolated Python to create a virtual environment. So third one means why do we need a virtual environment? Why do we need a virtual environment? So it means where you are working on two web-based Python projects. Suppose just open the our projects. So this is two projects. One is the IT Pro, one is the K Pro. So where we are working on two web-based Python projects. One of them is Django and the other is Django. One is the Django 4.0. 4.0 is IT Academy and the other one is 4.11. So in such situations, we need to create a virtual environment in Python that can be really useful to maintain dependencies of both project Kpro and IT Pro. So this is the our two projects. Here, here is how we create two separately created virtual environment both projects. So how to create a virtual environment? Please watch. So next one is third one, fourth one. Third one is completed. Fourth one, when and where to use a virtual environment. When and where to use a virtual environment. So by default, fourth one. So fourth one means when and where to use a virtual environment. When and where to use virtual environment. By default, every project on your system, we will use these same directories to store and retrieve site packages. Now, in the two examples, IT Pro and K Pro, we have two versions of Django. IT Pro 4.0 and K Pro is 4.1. This is a real problem for Python since it cannot differentiate between versions in the site packages directory. So both versions 4.0, 4.1 in the same directory with the same name. This is where virtual environment come into play. To solve this problem, we just need to create two separate virtual environment for both projects. The great thing about this is that there are no limits to the number of environments we can have, since they're just directories containing a few scripts. A virtual environment should be used whenever you work on any Python based projects. So any Python web based projects we work on. So the dependencies of every project are isolated from the system and each other. So and next one. So here is the understand. So next one, fifth one, create virtual environment in Python. Create virtual environment in Python. Fifth one, just create. Fifth one, create virtual environment in Python. Okay. So fifth one. So create a virtual environment. Fifth one. We use a module named virtual env. Module name module name virtual env. This is the module name. Already we have discussed a command virtual env. This is the module which is a tool to create a virtual environment in Python isolated from system environment Python. Virtual env creates a folder. Virtual env creates a folder that contains all the necessary executables to use the Python packages that a projects we need. So just open the command prompt. Here enter pip install virtual env. Enter. Wait 1 second. So successfully installed virtual environment. So next one, test our installation version. Python virtual env virtual env -sion. So this command is wrong. So once again, virtual env version to check version of virtual env. So here is the virtual environment version. Observe this virtual env 20.25.1. This is our virtual version. So where we look at it, users, computer name, app data, local, programs, Python, Python 3.8, library, site packages, virtual env. This this PC, users, docker, that means computer name, app data, local, local. Next, programs, Python, Python 3.8, Python 3.8. Next, lib site packages, virtual env. Lib site packages, to check virtual env. This is our virtual env. So up to up to totally success. Next, what? How to activate virtual env? Sixth one, activating activating virtual environment in Python. Virtual environment in Python. So now after creating a virtual environment, you need to activate it. Remember to activate it, the relevant virtual environment every time you work on the project. This can be done using the command. So here go to command prompt, go to the script. Inside the script, enter activate. So command is wrong. Actually, we are working same process. So there is a no problem. Just this is the similarly same problem. Same process, not a difficult. So we have tried to one more project. This is our existing projects. Scripts. Activate. Oh, so this is working. So next one is how to deactivate virtual environment. Just it is very easy. So simply enter deactivate command. So this is deactivated. We are using here the two commands. One is the activate commands. TI activate and second one is deactivate. So this is the process. Thanks for watching.